Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video, guys. I unfortunately have to come to you to announce the unfortunate and devastating death of a well-known woman in Christ, Ukhozi FM host, and of course the Crown Gospel Award founder Uzanele Mbokazi, who sadly passed away today at the age of 52. You guys, now for the past couple of months, Zanele Mbokazi has been trending after videos and pictures of her at a church were trending, where church members and of course priests prayed for her well-being. But sadly today she succumbed to an illness, lung cancer. You guys, now a statement shared by Zanele's husband, Bishop Nkambule, revealed the Crown Gospel Award founder died in the early hours on Monday at Parkland Hospital. Now the statement which he released reads as follows: "It is with a heavy heart that we, the Nkambule and Mbokazi family, announce the passing of our dearly beloved Ms. Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. She departed to be with the Lord early hours of the 12th of August 2024 at Parkland Hospital. We are grateful for all the prayers, love, and support we received throughout her illness. The family would appreciate privacy as we navigate through this challenging time. We are definitely sending our deepest and sincere condolences to her fans, her family, and the Christian community at large. We are definitely keeping them in our prayers. You guys, may Mam Zanele Mbokazi's soul just rest in peace, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.